What a Wonderful World by 115.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white. Night was the day, then the dark secret night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The color